Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do some unboxing. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of research about the SWIMBAIT, and then I think I just got into it now, like as fun as BFS. So I've been doing a lot of BFS. I still gonna do a BFS. But before that, it's been a long time no see, guys. It's been a long time. It's been cold, way too cold. You see me. God not built me for this type of weather. It's like 20 or 30 degrees. That's way too cold for me. We're gonna talk about the rod and then the SWIMBAIT a little bit later. But first of all, I'm not an expert of a SWIMBAIT. I mean, I do SWIMBAIT, like this mag drop right here, throw this, and then kind of like small SWIMBAIT with treble hook because I fish at the creek, and then for smallmouth. So I just get this Mike Buka. So excited with this. I tried this one, I don't catch any fish, but I believe this is gonna catch fish. So the action of these are awesome. So yeah, I'm not an expert of SWIMBAIT. I just doing another research, and then I got me a rod from, you're gonna see it, and this is a cool, like I'm gonna talk more about why I got this, and then I got a good price on this, like really good. Not here in US. In US like crazy expensive, straight from Japan. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. Let's do it. All right, let's do this unboxing right here. Told me to open from this side, I guess, but I've been sneaking it a little bit, and then I was just like, I'm not gonna make unboxing videos, but I ended up like, all right, let's do it. Grab the camera and then talk with you guys. It's been a long time since I'm not talking to you guys, so I miss you guys. So there it is right here. Ooh, you're gonna see this already maybe from the thumbnail, and there it is right here, the MEGABASS Valkyrie, I believe. Yeah, Valkyrie, that's what I'm gonna say. Alright, this is the MEGABASS Valkyrie coming from Japan, a travel quote-unquote SWIMBAIT fishing. MEGABASS doesn't claim this as a SWIMBAIT, but this is a lot of people use this for a SWIMBAIT. So this is the Valkyrie, man, that's so hard to see. And then Work Expedition. So from MEGABASS, wow, this is nice quality packaging right here. Let's see, let's open it. I'm so stoked with this. I'm so excited. So the reason why I got this travel rod is because I want to be able to travel, I guess. If I want to go somewhere, I don't have to be worried with my rod. I just can carry this, pull this, grab a bag, and then put my reel and couple SWIMBAIT, and then I'm good to go. So yeah, so excited about this. A lot of people who own these, I see they don't have any problem. So, but first of all, take all of this. Wow. Heck yeah! Woo! First, okay. So this is 4 pieces rod, by the way. Oh man, look at this. So this is the MEGABASS Valkyrie 78 heavy. So 7 foot and 8 inches, coming with 4 pieces. Yes, sir. Looks sweet. Look at this. Got a not a white, but kind of like gold and red at the same time. Hold on. Falling up. There you go. Look at how beautiful this is look like. With this color, this is gonna be cool. Alright, put this on the side first. Let's talk from this part right here. So they got jointed, started here. This is the rod handle, by the way. Then you just slide this thing right here. So that's how it's work. Make sure you line it really good. Make sure I line it really good. So come with a cord right here. kind of like cork, and then EVA foam. I'm not a big fan of EVA foam, but this is feel nice. And then this is got the MEGABASS logo, of course, and then sparkly metallic goalies here, and then the Fuji real seat double lock, I believe. Yep, this is a double lock, and you see that right there from MEGABASS Custom Fuji. And this is the second part right here. And then what again? Yeah, this is all of this got double guide from Fuji, I believe. The real guide. See that right there? All this double. And this is sweet. Not too big. See? About that big. So yeah, this is nice travel. This is true travel. So let's talk about the spec a little bit. What it told me here. So this is Valkyrie 78 heavy, 4 pieces, length 7 foot 8 inches, lure max 120 gram. Oh, we talk about the lure in a second, and then the line max and 40 pounds, fluoro maybe or mono, and then PA max a 6.0 like braided line. So that's the make. So we gonna talk about because this is so interesting. First of all, these rod are made blend between graphite, I believe, or carbon, and a glass. So 70% graphite or carbon, and then 30% of glass. So this is really parabolic. I see people. I'm gonna try it. I mean, it's MEGABASS. They told you the truth. Let me see it right here. There is anything that they can see. They're all in Japan, in Japanese. I don't get it. Yeah, I don't get it. So basically, this is 70% graphite or carbon. Oh, my light. Hold on. So light, my main light was off. The battery was off. I got to charge it for 30 minutes. So we come back here again, and then yeah, where we was earlier. I think I said was 70% graphite or carbon, and then let me see it. I got this paper. Let me find something that maybe can help. Yeah, so basically this is 70% and 30% glass. So this is really parabolic. I see that people bend this and then use this right here. The specific model, they have a bunch of model for this. Quote unquote the SWIMBAIT, like 7-Eleven, I believe, and then another 7-Eleven or 8 food, something like that. So yeah, so next we're gonna talk about the lure. There is no like the minimum lure, and there is no what is it called, like the mag. There is a mag, but there is no minimum lure here. The mag is 120 grams, so or a little bit over 4 ounces. But people use this not, this is not for the 4 ounces. This is good between an ounce to 2 ounce to half ounce. I see people love using this for their chat set because I don't have the KGB's Pro chat set. They use that. They really love it. That's weight about 2.5 ounces. And then the minimum, I see a guy, not here, I think Amsterdam. He using like a small chatterbait and small frog. This rod can load it really well. So still I'm into the range of swim bait like this. This is about an ounce and something. This is my Buka. Gonna use this. This is like, I mean, this is 6 inches. My go-to, my confident still. And then I'm planning to get the Metro Glide, and then something that 2 ounce or a little 2.5 ounce, I guess. So that's the rings I'm going out that I'm looking for. And then I wish that hopefully I can throw this. I love this guy right here. I know this is so parabolic, so moderate, but this is a line through. Maybe work. Hopefully it's gonna work. So my Mac drive, of course. You see that right here, the Mac drive. I'm planning to use that, and then this, I'm not use this year. This is the depth 145, so almost 6 inches. That one right there, and then the 6-inch draw. Never use this. Not yet, not yet. I will. And then the Arma joint. I got this Arma joint 150, the smallest one. They don't have this in US. This is the small version. Weight about 35 grams, a little bit over an ounce. So this rod right here, I think gonna be loaded very well. So parabolic, and then I'm gonna pair with this. So the 200. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. How does this look like? I mean, it's got a kind of like gold and all that stuff. Hopefully this is matched really, really good. Like, I know it's just gonna be matched really, really good. There's another reason why I got this rod is got double lock. Hopefully it's not hard to put in here. So, oh, hold on. There you go. Ooh-wee. Get this. Get this together. This look pretty sweet. Oh my god. Can't wait. So this has got a nice long handle, which is something that I'm looking at right now. I've been using my Shimano Poison Adrena. They have a little bit shorter handle, about this long, I believe. And that's work fine. You don't have to get something like this to throw this small swim bait, but it's just me. The more I'm throwing that, the more I realize I need a little bit long handle to help with the leverage, because it's nice. Like having a little bit long handle in swim bait are really good. So yeah, there it is right here. I don't know what I want to cover. Oh yeah, you guys got to help me too to find what kind of a swim bait that you wanted me to try. So I know a couple swim bait. I don't have a lot of experience with a custom built, garage built swim bait. I know a clutch, I know throwback, I know River City, I know DS Custom, I know Henry swim bait, I believe. Yeah, I know a couple of those, but yeah, you guys help me. Leave in the comment below what kind of swim bait that you guys own, what you guys love to fish. I'm looking into, I know it is, no, Working Class Hero. I know Working Class Hero. So, yeah. So, I'm not looking into something like that. I'm more looking into a treble hook style swim bait. And not that heavy too, and not that big, like 6 to 7 inches. My Mac, I guess. Yeah. So, there it is right here. Man, what I want to say, what I want to cover again. So, yeah. You're going to see me a lot with this rod right here. I mean, this is gonna be my main swim bait. So this has got moderate action. And then yeah, you don't have, I mean, basically you don't have to get a specific swim bait rod for this type of swim bait, but I just want something good that gonna last me a long time. That's the main goal. Can travel with me. The joint on this, I believe, gonna be sweet, because I have couple jointed rod from Japan, and they just feel amazing. I don't feel any flat spot on the rod. So there it is right here. Oh, by the way, they put a mark, small dot right here. You guys can see it, so you can align that pretty easy. Man, so excited, so excited. So yeah, ooh, so nice. So yeah, just want to say hi to you guys, what I've been up to, what I've been doing. So here it is right here. All right, there you go, guys. Yeah, so excited. I'm gonna try this next year, or if I can go fish, I'm gonna try this. Like, yeah, I'm still doing my BFS. Don't worry, no worry, no worry. But yeah, just so excited. I mean, it's fun. It's fun to throw swim bait. Like, if I have to choose between BFS and swim bait, I mean, I'm gonna pick BFS because I want to catch a number of fish. I mean, doesn't mean swim bait, BFS doesn't catch a big fish either, but yeah, but with swim bait, it's like another feeling too. Like, it's nice to do a swim bait. Like you throw that big. For me, this is big. This is big for me. 6 inches, 7 inches is big, and then you catch a fish. Like, you will surprise. So, yeah, so excited. There it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to talk to you. It's been a long time, so you know I've been off too. I'm only put my fishing stuff a little bit on Instagram, on most of them are on YouTube. So yeah, there it is right here. MEGABASS VALKYRIE 4 fishes travel rod. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see myself. There you go. Ciao.